materials management, what is the elements? So materials management involves material planning. Material planning comes from the engineering. Engineering is doing preparing drawings. They know how much material is required, what quantities, what sizes, what specs, everything. It comes from there. Once they finalize that this much material is now, I have to take it, I have to buy it, they send those MRs, material requests. MTOs are converted. MTOs, other word, bill of quantities, are being converted to in the form of MR. MR is basically data sheets and specifications for that particular item. That goes to purchase department. Purchase department makes the issue the inquiry, and then up to the award. After the award, they also do the inspection and quality control during the expediting process when things have been manufactured for your organization, for your project rather. And once it is delivered, then from here is storage, and then inventory control will start. Inventory control, how the material has been received, what are the daily received, all that reporting, all this documentation is to be done, whom to be given, whom not to be given, and all that control has to be performed here. Then what would be the issue procedure? So on what basis you will be issuing? Typically, it's a properly managed issue procedure. It's not that any subcontractor, anybody will come, any person from subcontractor side will come, and he will say that, okay, give me 20 bags of cement. So he won't get it. The process is typically, the subcontractor will go to his area engineer. Area engineer will be from the EPC contractor side. He will make a request, a material requisition voucher, generally we call MRV, and he will get the endorsement of that engineer, site engineer or the area engineer. Once area engineer signs off, it comes to the planning department. Planning department makes an entry that, okay, this material is to be issued. First, they will check whether this subcontractor requires this material or not requirement. If he is supposed to require this material, then they make the entry that, okay, out of the 500-meter bags, we have issued say 20 bags, and then the material is being distributed. Once the material is given to the subcontractor, and the things have been reconciled, the balance material comes back to the store. There are some spare items where that would not require consumption, but that would require transfer to the client directly. So every time, every equipment, almost all equipments, even the bulk material would have the conditions in the contract that some spare parts would be required, and those spare parts will be stock transfer, will happen from that computerized system, and that is how the complete materials management will be done. So this is just a procedural thought on this material management.